Here's this trending app during holidays called Magic Santa, calls and video. Bring the magic of Santa to life. Have a real call with Santa before Christmas. So it's a great app for kids. Personalize your video, talk to Santa and ask questions. Add your kid's name and wish list. Give them a memory that will last forever. Make this Christmas unforgettable with personalized videos and live calls from Santa Claus himself. Magic Santa Video lets parents easily create high quality, heartwarming message that feels truly magical. And now your child can talk back to Santa in real time. Simply enter the child's name and age, add a few details about their wishes or something special, and watch as Santa records a video message in just for them. So there is also a phone tab where you can just call Santa. So here let's just take a look. So you can just open it up and let's just tap continue, start creating. So you can then just enter it's here what's on the wish list, what so you can see. So now you have this message, which was created with AI, saves you time. You can always edit it. You can.
Hello, Bobby. It's Santa here.
And then you can generate video. And then if someone shared with you, enter it, and don't worry if you sometimes. So as you can see, to generate one video, it's $10. 4 videos plus Santa calls $30. So yeah, if you want a video, you just generate the video. Otherwise, you just have like an audio call, like just an audio version. Buy the gift, so you can buy videos, user ID, your account. So you can also start some kind of video calls.